Hello traders. Today we're going to discuss in our trading room. We're trading the bank lines, and this is crude oil. We're going to start from the last week. This is chart of 19th of November. We're going to discuss that week from 19th to 23, and then next time the next week. So you should have idea when you're trading why market is retracing or reversing. This is 5-minute chart, crude oil, 19th of November. Now let me mark the area where the retracements are and why it's turning. Okay, now sorry about that. Let me see how it is. Oops. Okay, now I have to do this way then. Okay, let's see. We're gonna start from about 7 o'clock, because before that it's really slow. 6 or 7 is good, right? You know why it's turning from here, right? And oh, again. Okay, I have to go through this way then all the time. And why this candle was here, this little one, right? And okay, let me do that. Try continue. Where is that chart? No way. Okay, yes. So right here. Okay, so that'll be quick. Now why it's turning from here? Why this is the trace turning from here, this one here, and this one here, right? Why it's going up? Why it's not stopping? Why it's here, turning right there, right? And so on. So let me do one more thing here. Is this one, let's put for on all charts, then we're going to see the other chart, apply the other chart with the bank line, that make sure it's all there. Oh no, sorry, I have to do all. Okay, all, and let's see, set is default, all. Okay, and this one on all. Okay, this one on all. Okay, so that's gonna put on all chart. Then we will see with the lines chart why it's turning from here, what the lines are, and you should know what is that, and you can make a decision. So let me set as default that I don't have to do one by one. Alright, so this day is over and you got all those here. Let's see, the next day is 20th of 7 o'clock as we start. 7 right here. Okay, and why this turning is here, right here, then okay, one time, and this, okay, and then this, right here, and then this right here, and then this right here. Okay, and let me do a little further, this right here. Okay, and then why is dropped right here? Why is that? Right, and why was here? What is here? And that's almost why it came back here, and then again up, and that's the whole day. That's the whole day. And let's see next day if I can reach this way. Alright, so this is 7 o'clock right here. Okay, 7 o'clock right here. Okay, why it's gone up here and turned back many times. Okay, and then turn from here. This one why it's made. This one why it is. This one why it is. Okay, and then why it came down here and stopped. Okay, and that's the then why it stopped here a little bit and then start going up, right? And then why it stopped here. Now sometimes people saying, okay, it's reached to this high, that's why, but why this was a high before, right? And then why here, so and so, and why it stopped here, so and so, right? Next one, 2 more days, and then we're gonna come to the lines. Okay, this is here. This was a day off of because of the what day was there, the I don't remember that now. No, Remembrance Day. Sorry about that. But this is not a big movement on this day, but still, right? Still, why it's turning down from here? Why it's that? And why the other, like, why it's here, stopped here and start going up? Okay, why it's came down to here to the end of the day or starting other day, right? And the next day, this was a holiday, by the way. Okay, let's go to other day, which is a really nice day, looks like here. Alright, 7 o'clock, and why start going up from here? Or why start going up from here? Why it was stopping here? But that's a before 7, but we can discuss why it start going up from here and why it was stopping here on top. Why this candle came down and start going up, right? And then why stop a little bit here and then start going up again. Okay, then why just stopped here? Why not on the way? Why these big candles are there? Why they stopped here? Okay, and that's the whole day. That's almost whole day, and we're gonna discuss the last day here, and then we're gonna bring the bank lines. Okay. Alright, this is the next day, which is 26th. Oh, actually we're done. 26 is on a Monday. Let's see where we missed. This is 23rd, 22nd, 21st, 20th. Oh, we're done. Alright, let's talk about this. Now I will bring the other chart, which is the line charts, bank line charts. Then you will see, you will amazed to see why it's that. why these big candles are there, right? Why it's not stopping on the way. Okay, let's see, let me bring that on. All right, let's see. Right here is, all right. Okay, all right, see, all these circles which we made is all right here, right? Okay, now we're going to see why is that. Okay, you see this green line, why is it start going up from here? This was holding to up, and why this is up to here, and this is holding here, then why this is holding here? That's the line, bank line going up. Why this holding here? Why this holding here? Then why it's holding here? These are bank lines automatically coming. So we're traders trading with these bank lines. They know according to this indicator is matching and trading. You see that. You see the target when you take in this trade from here. You see the target, where the target is. You're not getting out in between. You see when you entering this trade, you see the target, where the target is. First target, last target. Then you entering again, re-entry here. Right? All the way up to here. So many ticks from 80 to another 80, 200. 87, 80, 89, 80. 200 ticks trade. We're not getting out. Okay, but you will see there the other line, which is the big bank lines. These are the smaller bank lines. They are holding less to the market, but they are holding more to the market. But if the market is already up, then these, that means that's why the market is going up, to touch these magentas. The magentas has a relation, the blues has a relation, and the white has a relation. Then the smaller ones are holding little. Okay, see, from these magenta to this magenta, market went up, and this was furthermore down. Okay, let's see the next day, 20th. Now, see, market came into these. These are plotted next day. Now let's see why it's there. Now this was, we can say it's just a double top or top of this, whatever. There's no line. This is not our trade. Just marked it. Or why it's turning from here? You can see here why it's turning from here. Because this is the line. Why it's turning from here? These are the lines. See, exactly just from the line it's turning back. But we're trading after 7. Well, I'm not looking this one, where you can do that, right? You can do that. Now, why it's turning back from here? These lines, magenta, green, okay? Why it's turning from here? See, this is the little one, this purple line here, and turning back from there. Gone back up to that and turning back. Why then it's turning from this one? It's a blue line here, right? Blue line. Then again it's a turning from purple line here. This one, the purple line is this one, this line, sorry, not that one. Come on. No, that's not highlighting. That's okay, no worry. Now that's a purple line. See, it's moving. I just want to tell you, this is moving. This is rolling. This is rolling line, bank line, day to day. It's minute to minute. Okay, see, it's coming behind it. Now why it's this big drop? Can you see that? Now when this blue line is, it was holding here, then it's rejected badly second time, and then it's just gone back again and it rejected again. Now the all magentas are, there we go. Now this is market coming from this magenta to this magenta, and you're gonna see that, right? Or probably just gonna hold on the way by these ones. Let's see. There you go. This is hold a little bit. Oh, it came from this magenta to this magenta. As I told, it's a relationship. They have a relationship. These are the bank lines. Now, how about that if you can take this trade according to this indicator? This is showing a divergence. Then these tops, right? It's a little high, but market is down, and there's a bank line, and there was a purple line as well at that time, but now it's moved. And you're holding that trade to this magenta from 86.40 to 88.60, 120 ticks. Okay. Now why it's going back from here? It's rejected 2 times. It's going back, right? Okay, day is over, next day. Wow, see, it's automatically. Now why it's rejected from here 3 times? This is the bank line. Why is rejecting to the down? Because the magenta is down. The big magentas are down. Dash magenta and this magenta has a relation, and the blue and green blue has a relation, and the whites has a relation. So this magenta is pushing down to this magenta. Can you see the relation? Right? Now there was no big line up there, because it's coming in the big lines through and hit the top line, big line, and little bit the small line, bank line, and coming to this magenta again. You see that? Why it's turning from here? Just holding this green line. Why this turning from here, coming here? Here holding blue and magenta again. Why it's again holding here is a green line, but it's rejected here. This is the trade, and this is the trade here when it's rejected, and you see the dozy one. It's rejected here. This is the trade. Start from here. You stop loss here. Start from here, which is 87.60 to 86.40. It's again, it's more than 100 ticks. Right? Now it's going back. It's rejected and coming back, rejected from this magenta. This. And rejected up. Then it's a hold a little bit here, then it's a hold by white here. If you see, it's gone to again that magenta. 140 ticks down, 140 ticks, 20 ticks down, 120 ticks up. You see that trade going back. This is hold by purple here and going back, rejected. Right? With this, when we will train you, we'll tell you when and which line is more powerful. Why is that? Okay. Now these are not the lagging indicators. These are the firm bank lines. These are the firm bank lines, or the big institutes. Right? Now this was the Remembrance Day, right? Whatever. This see green holding, and then white, blue holding, then magenta a little bit, and this day is over almost. See, it came to this white and holding. This day is over. This was a holiday. We are not that concerned with that. Now here, why this is holding? Here, white, right? This one, right here, white. Okay, this holding blue. This came to white again, right here. Little bit over 3 ticks, right? Then going back. This is hold by blue, rejected, 2 up again. So that means market's going up, rejected from the white, then crossed the blue, came down, rejected again, going up, right? Then this gone up, came down, rejected by the green. This green. This rejected here by the green, this one. Let's bring this one here, right? See, here. Okay, and then Then if you know there's nothing in between here and it came down and rejected, you can, the conservative traders, the aggressive trader will take from here when it's rejected 2 times, 3 times, and blue rejected again from here, okay, from 87.10. The entry is here. The more aggressive are here at 8700, 8700, okay, and here you see there's no bank line between these lines. The conservative trader, when it's rejected from here, then they're gonna enter right here, okay, 40, 8740, 8780, 40 ticks, quick, right? Otherwise from here 8700, 8780, 80 ticks, and this is could be just reducing your contract, right? Because this is the small bank line, okay. Now you see where the other bank lines is down here. Now it's gone up. As I said, when all lines either upside, the big lines, or it's a downside, that means there is a big trade either side if the market is crossed all the lines and went up or came down from these lines. You see that? Then why is it stopped here? This is the bank line. Why is not stopped in between? There's no bank line. You see that? You see that how big that trade is? 8700, 8850, 150 ticks trade, right? Now this is stopped a little bit here, but not rejected anymore. It's gone through in 10 minutes. 2 candles give you another 50 ticks. Can you imagine? Who can tell you these lines, the bank lines, right? It's not a lagging indicators. There you go. Then why it stopped here again? Why this stop was made? Now many people saying, oh, because this stop was here, that's why. Then why this stop was made? Because there's a bank line. There's a bank line. That's why this stop is made. That's why it's stopped here and gone back again. Rejected from here again. You can see the indicators. Now from here, the market is even more down here, but the indicator is not down. This is indicators sold more than these down positions by bank coming to this bank line, right? Okay, this day is over. I think that's it. We're done, and that's it. You're gonna see these bank lines in trading room. You can trade accordingly these bank lines, where the market is going, how far it can go, how far you can hold your trade, right? Sometimes you just take 5 ticks and get out. Hold your trade to next bank line. If there's none, hold it, right? So this is the last one, 23rd, and the next week we will do the next one, okay? So if you want to see my contact, I'm gonna put it here, okay? That's the disclaimer, you should read it, okay? Here's my contact, okay? You can write it down, or you can stop the video, write it down after or now, whenever you want. Would you like to be a partner with us in our trading room? Email us or go to website. We're still creating that page for the trading room, but we have a courses there, and we will put on, and then we will start the online there. But still now we do with the different plan. We have different, I would say, system for the trading room. Okay, so thank you very much, and happy trading. Bye now.